Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the top stocks to buy in December of 2020. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys get anything in value, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them in the comments down below. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course. It'll be the first link down below. You guys will learn how to properly invest in the market. We talk about dividend investing, swing trading, and we are working on a day trading course in it. So make sure you guys at least check it out. So now let's jump into it. Roll that intro. Let's go. Bam. Alrighty guys, so the very first stock here that I want to keep on watch is ticker symbol CTRE. This is a REIT, so this is a real estate ETF. Now, REITs this past year have been hit very hard. The reason why is because there's no incentive to pay the rent or their lease. You know, there's so many incentives not to pay, and really you didn't get punished if you didn't pay until this month. So I feel like we're going to get a rebound in a lot of these REITs here because of the vaccine coming out. So now people are going to be more comfortable going outside, and I feel like this is still an undervalued point for this stock here. But breaking down the stock, there's some clear resistance here at 25, some more resistance here at 23, some more support here at 16, and the strongest support here would be around 12. But the lowest is at $7 per share. So me personally, I think that this stock is going to be slowly moving its way back up to at least the $23 mark. And I feel like it would be a perfect swing trade. Setting your stops right below these moving average lines, I feel like it would be a perfect opportunity with good risk and reward. Not to mention, you guys are going to be getting paid 25 cents every quarter. So this is a perfect, long-term investment if you guys are going to hold it just for those dividend cash flow payments. So the next stock here is ticker symbol SKT. This is also known as the Tanger Factory Outlet. So this stock here already wasn't the strongest company out there. But the thing about it is this overall recession really put a big effect on this stock here. But the stock has had crazy momentum over the past couple of weeks and the past couple of days. And I feel like it would be a good stock to at least keep on watch here for a breakout of this $10 mark. I think that this stock, if it can break out of this resistance here, it can easily come back up to this overall resistance here at 12. I think there is that little gap to fill. Not to mention, once people start going out, this company is going to start making more money. But they did cut their dividend, and this would be a stock that I would purely swing trade, not hold it for the long term. But that's just overall my opinion. So this next stock here is Pinterest, ticker symbol PINS. I thought it was PIN, but it's PINS. So this stock here has had crazy momentum. You guys can see that we have this beautiful upward trend, multiple signs of being overvalued, but really powers through it. There's so much momentum behind this stock here. You guys can see it did hit this overall resistance, sold off, found some support, broke over this old resistance, curled back, and now broke over that resistance again. So when you guys are looking at technicals, there's multiple things that you guys need to look out for. But the very first one is what you call a resistant breakout, then a support bounce. So what happens is the stock will form resistance. So you guys can see it's hit it here, almost here, hit it here, sold off, broke above it, and now look at this. Most of the time when a stock has this old resistance will turn into new support for this stock. So I think right now could be a perfect opportunity to get in, set your stops right below this candle wick here. So at 62, risk $6 for it to come back up to at least highs, if not push up to 75. That's kind of my prediction of it. I think it's just a matter of time before we get that. Pinterest is actually one of the companies that's been performing very good over the past kind of lockdown. And I feel like the overall continuation will continue with this stock. The momentum will continue. But I do think that this stock carries a lot of short-term and long-term potential here. The next stock here is ticker symbol LMND. This is Lemonade Insurance. This is a recent IPO. Really, this stock has been trading in between $72 and around $46. Me personally, I think that since we did get this major sell-off here yesterday, the stock fell more than 10%. Hit this 200 moving average line. I think it's going to use that as some support and get that bounce coming back up to that $75 mark. Set your stops here at 60, risk $6 to make upwards of, you know, $17, $18 a share. If not, get an overall breakout of this. The next breakout here is at 88. Not to mention, I think that LMND does have a lot of short-term and long-term potential, very similar to Pinterest. You know, these are all growth stocks, so it's always smart to have a base of ETFs, bonds, you guys know that, and all blue chip stocks. But this one here is a front runner in their sector. Now they're in insurance, and you might be saying, well, how can a company be a front runner in insurance? Insurance has been around for decades. Well, they are a purely online insurance company that focuses on millennial growth, and they have a very, very strong consumer base with their mobile app. So I think that this is a perfect company for the long term and short term. A lot of people think that there's a lot of risk, you know, but overall, I think that this is a company that's very similar to like Beyond Meat, company like that. So it's smart to still have a base of ETFs, bonds. The stock definitely fluctuates, but it's still a good one to keep on watch here. The next stock here is ticker symbol SQ. This is Square. So with the overall hype right now about Bitcoin, Square owns the Cash App, and the Cash App is one of the best ways to actually invest in Bitcoin. And over the past couple of weeks, when this stock was trading in here, they were showing super strong numbers with Bitcoin because they process Bitcoin. They actually allow transactions, and they make a ton of money off buying and selling Bitcoin. So I think that this next quarter, Square is going to have phenomenal numbers, and it's just one to at least keep on watch here. Not to mention this stock's doing what Pinterest is doing, where it formed that resistance, broke above it, and now is curling back down, and it's going to use this overall old resistance as some new support here. But all these stocks definitely carry a lot of risk, so it's always smart to have a base of ETFs, bonds, and blue chip stocks before investing in them. Some of them are pure swing trades like SKT, but overall these are all good ones to at least keep on watch here. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my course. Have a good one. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and especially now guys, stay safe out there. Take care.